क्या आपने कभी सोचा है मकई का दाना कैसे बदल जाता है आधुनिक फैक्ट्री के अंदर और अत्याधुनिक टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ? देखिए।
This is where the journey begin. Thousands of fresh cobs arrive daily, ready for processing into our signature corn milk. The temperature is holding steady at 95 Celsius.
Good. Let's maintain that flow rate for the next 3 minutes.
Check the flow rate on line 3.
It's holding steady at 200 liters per minute. The temperature is optimal. The sealing looks good on this batch.
Agreed. The automated inspection is clear. At the heart of the operation, the precision weighing station and scanning cameras meticulously inspect each package, ensuring only perfect cartons proceed.
The automated quality control system ensures every carton meets our stringent standards before shipment.
Bring that pallet right up to the line. Confirmed. Moving it into position now.
Okay, pull it straight back now. Easy, easy. Watch your left side.
Maintaining the cold chain is crucial for products like corn milk, requiring precise logistics in a facility this size.
All right, 20 cases of the unsweetened corn milk.
Perfect. Just sign here on the tablet when you're done.
Careful with the load, keep it steady.
Got it. Bring the next pallet up when you're ready.
All right, stacking the last few here.
Discover the refreshing taste of our premium corn milk, perfectly chilled and ready to enjoy.
Straighten it up slightly. Okay, perfect spot. Loading is complete.
The refrigerated truck, loaded with fresh corn milk, departs the factory. Security ensures a safe transition to the main road.
The journey complete, the refrigerated truck delivers its precious cargo of corn milk to the regional hub. The electric forklift carefully extracts the temperature-sensitive corn milk from the chilled trailer, ensuring the cold chain remains unbroken as it reaches the loading dock. The electric forklift maneuvers the pallet of corn milk into its designated spot, ensuring the cold chain is maintained in this vast, temperature-controlled facility.
Everything looks good on this pallet. It's ready for the refrigerated truck.
The seamless transition from storage to dispatch ensures our corn milk reaches the customer fresh every time.
Make sure these are all counted for the morning route. Yes, just finished the scan on pallet 3.
Route 3 confirmed. Check the temperature log here before you head out.
Got it. Everything looks good. Ready for departure.
Keep it coming back straight. Okay, hold it right there. There. Seals are intact. Let's start the unload sequence.
So smooth, so creamy. The perfect refreshment.
Did you want a bag with that? Just the bottle is fine, thanks.
Almost done, kids.
Wow, it looks so creamy.
This looks delicious. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy the corn milk.
Pallet 3B. Sequence check complete. Move it to Bay 4.
Confirmed. Moving now.
All restraints engaged.
Pallets are stable, ready for departure. The final checks complete, the shipment of corn milk is cleared for dispatch.
Easy now, you got room. Okay, take it to the north side staging area.
Wondered how ordinary corn is transformed into smooth, creamy corn milk? Today, we're going inside a modern corn milk factory.